I myself and Mr. Faye, that is my partner, we did not go into it as a business. We are actually achieving this, that we are putting African things in the hands of Africa. So every day I sit down, whether the sales of the previous day were bad or good, I sit down and produce. Because when these products are sold, nobody buys them with a frown face. No, they are always excited and they're always happy. Have a fair knowledge of African history, and that thing has been something very important to me. That is how the black man is not really what he should have been in the history of this world, because action had to be taken. Now that action is what is important. So I see this as a vision or a call, that is to do it and be part of the doers, not part of the people that talk about Africa being rich or Africa going to be rich. Work for that rather than talk about it. Inspiration comes from regular practice. When you are practicing, when you are doing, it is in the regular process of doing that inspiration comes. Inspiration will not come to somebody that is not actually doing it regularly. When you do it over and over and over and over, it becomes like a part of you. Don't necessarily have to give a thought to that. At that level, the mind is a bit free. My name is Zeze, and I am an African artist.